Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele, and I'm coming to you from the Pyramids in Indianapolis, and we are at Transitions of Indiana, and I am joined by Will Sadler in a beautiful new space for you guys. More space, more comfort, and more treatments. Now, the one treatment I want to talk about involves exosomes. Can you tell me about that, Will?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's really exciting stuff. It's all brand new technology with regards to like biotech, and it's been playing a huge role in our hair restoration treatment part of the clinic. And so with exosomes, the benefit to it is that it is a messenger particulate that's going to assist in recruiting your own cells to come in to replace out damaged cells, recruit stronger activity, and reduce inflammation by delivering over 1,000 growth factors to get your hair to a stronger, more full state.
How did you guys discover exosomes? How did that happen?
Well, here at Transitions, we're always trying to stay on the leading edge of technology. And with that, through the research that we've done, exosomes really fit that perfect space that we were looking for.
And technology and science, very, very important for you guys. And tell me about how this translates into the results for you.
The thing that's been really great about the exosomes that we've been observing is that patients are seeing, or clients are seeing, results in fewer time, or over a shorter period of time, and also with doing fewer treatments. So it's really been a win-win for everyone in this situation.
How can people expect to have their day go when they come in for a treatment?
The treatment itself is super easy. It's short, it's really fast, it's easy, it's virtually pain-free. The treatment time itself only takes about 45 minutes from check-in to check-out. It's a great option.
And who's benefiting from this?
So anyone that's going through hair loss, men, women, both, anyone that is experiencing any type of damaged hair, this can assist with providing you with that strong hair that you're always wanting.
And that's everybody pretty much.
Yep.
It's everybody. Remind our viewers about the treatment options.
So we take a global approach with this. We have PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. We have laser hair therapy. It's an FDA-approved method to help with stimulating hair growth. And with the affiliation with We Grow Hair Indy, we're also able to provide hair transplantation too.
Wonderful. And let's talk about how people can find out more about you.
So they can call at 317-522-2991 or go to transitionsindy.com and schedule your free virtual or in-office evaluation.
And that's wonderful and very important now. You can go virtually, and that's important during this time. Okay, thank you so much, Will. And if you'd like to see your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@WTHR.com. Thanks for having us today.